Lalo na pag nakikita ko kayo. Kayo, Celia, ang kinukopyahan ko ng araw. Si Marita, si Dong. Hindi ko alam paano sila nagkatuluyan. Everybody, napakasaya. I mean, napakasaya talaga. After 30 years, napakasaya. Kaya si Joji, si Eddie, kung alam nyo lang nakating yan, kalahati ng Canada, kalahati ng New Zealand kay Eddie Boy. Si Joji naman, ginawang Cubao yung Middle East. Pupunta ko, babalik. Anyway, I would like to introduce our keynote speaker. I'm very blessed to have her as my mom, my teacher, everything. Very blessed talaga ako dahil siya lang ang gawa ng nakikita niya. Anyway, wala nang ibang introduction. I want you to meet my mom, our former assistant principal, Miss Angelina Sevilla.
Filipino teacher natin, Mr. Figuero.
Sabi mo po, nagkano rin sila. Iba nga doon invited niya sa sila. Kaya doon ako narinig mo. Mga taga-side mo. Sabi yun lang ko mga.
Sabi nga ni Jules, mayayaman na kayo. That happiness is not only in money. Now when you remember you in Iris, I can forget your youthfulness, enjoying yourselves. Now you have attained as individual, as successfully in all your endeavors. I will not make my speech long because I know you are all very enthusiastic to talk with one another. Now, because it is Christmas time, I will give you my 12 gifts. 1, happiness down deep inside. Number 2, serenity at every sunrise. Number 3, success in every facet of your life. Number 4, family beside you. Number 5, caring friends around you. And you have all your friends around you yourself. A love that never ends. That's number 6. Good health within you. A love that never ends. wants to meet a culture, a pathway leading to better tomorrow, dreams that manage to come true, and a great appreciation for everything. Those are my 12 gifts for you. Because when you get older, like me, now you are in the factor area, you are behind.
Halos sa
Like
sasakay, no?
myself. It comes continuously,
Mauna siya, San Pedro, tapos
you would rather console and encourage than condemn.
pero pagka
And when there is a chance to do this,
Hindi, mauna siya.
you do not do it.
Mauna siya.